Today I've got tea, but it's not normal tea. It's a special tea. This one here, I've got Earl Grey tea infused with Reaper powders. This here is rooibos tea. This is the Earl Grey. And this is rooibos tea, also infused with Carolina Reaper powders. Also, yeah, once again, Alderbrow Farms, John, Charlene, thank you so much. All this powders coming from Alderbrow Farms. This year is just the Reaper tea. This is just normal boiling water with Reaper powders. Um, Let me tell you guys, I can smell it. It is like, I'm telling you now, this stuff, if you put it in a bottle, like a normal window lean bottle or something, you can use this as pepper spray, I'm sure. This stuff is extremely hot. You can't go close to the kitchen now. The fumes in the kitchen is crazy. But yeah, we're going to do this teas today.